Today, it's me and my cousin. We have slime. They can't see yours. Get your wrapper off. We got slime. Show them. Show them your color slime. Wow. Now, so guys, we're going to do this at my makeup stand stuff. Get your chair. So we got our slime. We're going to open it so you guys can see. Get it out or whatever. Wow. So here's how much slime I have. That's how much slime. You have blue in yours.
Yeah, because of sparkles. Mine's unicorn slime.
Oh. So this is my color slime. That's her color.
You can see that I have
Unicorn slime.
diamonds in mine too.
Where's your diamond? I can't see diamonds.
Diamond!
Oh, that's not a diamond. That's a circle.
Not a diamond.
So here's what
Look,
how big mine is.
See, look.
So we're just going to be playing with
Sit
this
down.
at 3 in the morning.
Whoa, mine just broke. What'd you do?
Oh, I got a gem. So, see you at 3. We're going to leave this here. Going to bed.
Going to bed.
I got Kinder's side.
No, I want to be on the side. Because I don't want to be in the thingy. Right here.
Girl. Okay, here. I'll move the pad. Take the pad. So you can fix.
What's my phone?
Hey, those are mine. The other ones are mine.
I'm laying on colors. I'm not laying on yellow.
There's no yellow.
Yellow.
That is the sheet.
I don't care.
You nasty. You've been laying on it the whole time. You're sitting on it.
Oh my
Fine, I'm done playing.
Fine.
Good night, guys.
Oh, wait, on yellow. Ready? Hey, I'm laying on it.
Oh,
Do your man.
it's 3 in the morning.
Ready?
Hey guys, we're back. It's 3 in the morning. Our parents are sleeping.
So we have to be quiet.
We gotta be quiet.
So I'm gonna get mine out.
I gotta get mine.
Ooh, look at mine. Now it's like set it. Now it's not sticking to me. Cool. Ah! Oopsie. I just took out one. Hurry! We have to be back. Mom's coming down the hall. Go. Here she is.
Oh my god. In the morning at 6:30, I thought I go to work. She's asleep. So guys, we're back. We gotta be very quiet. Our stepdad and our mom are asleep. So here's what my slime looks like with the gem inside.
Yeah, mine's not sticky no more, so I'm not really put it through.
I have puke slime. I hear her. Get your lid on.
Mine is on.
I hear Dad. They must have been trying to do a YouTube video. Better stop it. Okay. They're asleep. Come on. I'm locking the. Let's go lock their room so they can't get out. I'll have a key in there.
Okay,
Hey guys, It's breakfast time.
So we gotta get us some breakfast.
Yeah, we're hungry. We woke up at 3.
Yeah.
We woke up at 3 yesterday, but forgot to do a YouTube video.
Yep.
So let's just play with our slime at 3 in the morning.
Okay. Guys! Uh-oh. No, they're locked. No, they're unlocking it. They saw the key. Hurry.
Must have been their brother. He's the prankster. Okay, pretend they don't come anymore. At all anymore.
They always see us sleeping.
Yeah, because we put a camera in their room where they think we're asleep. So guys, we put a camera. They have a camera in their room. Our room. I reprogrammed, so all he'll see is
Us sleeping.
yeah.
We made a body like us sleeping.
No, I'm the smart one, so I put it like that.
Yeah.
Mine stretches.
Want to put it together? Mine don't.
Mine doesn't stretch. Mine
Yeah.
just breaks. Mine just breaks.
I know.
So I'm putting this up because
We're eating. If it. Not yet.
3 a.m. Our brother got possessed. So if he hears loud noises like screams, really loud screams like someone in a movie screams, he'll wake up and come to our room or mom and dad's. Hey, here I'm coming. Hurry. Bob's coming. Because I'm taller.
And I'm the girl.
Because you got growth line. I got blue slime. Oh shit.
You okay?
Yeah, my thing's stuck.
You want to open it? Since it's just younger.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. You opened the last
There.
one.
I'm sorry.
Where's your other one? On the ground. Put it in the trash can.
Ah.
So guys, we're just gonna massage our fingers in the slime. Massage.
Okay.
How come your sister made more slime than you?
Because his was supposed to be bigger than mine, but mine was supposed to be kind of big, like hers, you know? And it just didn't turn like that. Mine was supposed to be this big, and that wide. That's how hers had. That's hers. That's hers and hers. I suck at it. I can't do that.
No, it broke. Oh,
I hear.
yes. So we're just massaging our hands right now.
Be quiet. Cheers. I suck at it.
sick at work.
So let's stop it so we can go to bed. We need to go to bed. It's 10. We have to sleep until 10 or my dad will yell at me. Ready?
Just leave it. So that's it today, guys.
Ready? We're gonna kiss.